Emily Crooks. Emily, whatever. Anyway.
You want me love, unfortunately, me not have enough. No, that me dark, you know.
You no rate me, me no rate you. So you can go suck your mama straight up. That dirty bleach out you with your France paint on. Nuh Frighten for nobody.
You order, give thanks for the breakthrough, father. If no money now make, then I slaughter. Check-ins and savings account for me that.
Make phone vibrate. Washington DC, that I state. She says she no suck dick, but she still taste. It's slappy at the top of me, I don't fear.
Thugs no weak, why no call me up, so love for do it. Pussy coulda tight, do nobody try, come in and think all of us and
pa me side chip, me say shut up, fire, but me have 9 clip. For your wife, pa me side chick, I saw she take me body, suck it and right.
dropped up, jealousy too active in our close friends these days. Make me no one post for my real page, but me numb some.
Make it first call, reverse the first mortgage. The boy I live like I'm most wanted. Oh God, but put that skull up on fridge play.
She want suck up my big toe. But that's kinda nasty. Wrong heart, it's like my party. I'm no like off like. Like when me bring her to the touch, she and Buffy, she answer my questions. Samantha.
Like water, fried, something about him, I know matches. Him shirt wet up, let her run like girl crutches. Watch him and put up him and a chai black it. Could it, hot bind steer fresh.
So yeah, you mean, give up this, cause this now make a benefit to nobody. Cause me I tell you the truth, you know. When I'm a bad man, you know, girlfriend. Emily Crooks. Emily, whatever. Anyway, when me I say Emily.
Are you clean?
Yeah?
Never smoke anything before you came this morning?
I smoke weed. You have a problem with that?
You smoke weed?
Yeah.
Where you get it? Planted?
Girl, you are a real informer, you know, man.
Emily. I have to keep correcting you. Where you plant
I
it?
feel like a union Keisha.
Eh? Your wife give you problems?
Anyway, when me I say Emily.
Your wife give you problems?
You're too fast, Emily, man. I know that to come here with you.
That's why I'm a journalist. I ask the question. That's what I do. But you know, I'm sure you expected this before you came here.
You must say a man supposed to not like you.
Yeah? That's very, very personal. We want to get back to the nitty-gritty.
So we want to get back on me and